Hello YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a wiper. If you've got a problem like mine, you can see there's only one wiper is working. So first things, just open the bonnet. Once you open, we have to run through the bolt around here. We also need to remove this. We will also need to remove the second wiper, similar to what we have done for the first one. We also need number 16. Thing is always anti-clockwise, and it is easy. Now we have to remove the clips. Once this is out, now we can find the problem that this has come out. So it's not together with this, which is supposed to be in here. So this is the reason it works there alone. I will start the car now, we'll see. So see, now the wiper is working because this one has gone out. So we need to find the permanent solution for that. So because this keep coming off, and this is the reason one of the wiper is not working, so we need to put a hole here and a screw. So now we need the drill. I can make a hole that side. So we have made a hole all around here. So now the hard job was finished. We need to put the screw here inside. But before we do that, we need to test, to try the wipers if they are going on the same direction, because sometimes one goes left, one goes right. In my case, I have established that they work in the correct direction. Now it is time to put this screw here. It has to go all the way, but it has to be, not blocking out. So I found one here. This will work perfect for us. Now this is the other side. You can see this is the screw where I made the hole. Now it is the time to put everything back, just reversing. So I need to put this back. Right, let's run the test from inside.